Why pay full price for SmartScout when you can grab a discount coupon in just a few clicks? If you're searching for the best SmartScout coupon code, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I will show you the simple way to get the latest working SmartScout coupon code and save money on your purchase. So let's start. To get the latest SmartScout discount coupon, just scroll down to the description box of this video. I have added a special link there for you. Once you click on that link, it will take you directly to the website where you can find the latest working SmartScout coupon code. After reaching the website, simply choose the plan that suits you the best and then click on the Get Code button. In just one click, you'll get the available coupons and promo codes for SmartScout. I am not showing the coupon code directly in this video because these coupon codes keep changing during sales and special offers. So, whenever you watch this video, just use the link in the description box to get the latest coupon code. Then apply the coupon code during checkout, and that's it, your discount will be applied. So go now, check the description box and claim the best SmartScout coupon code for your purchase. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.